Welcome, my dear students, back. We are here for solving exponential equations. Another new part in the material of MHF4U. And we will work now on the solving exponential equations, which you can see here. Solving exponential equations, which you can see here. Solving exponential equations. Here, solving exponential equation. First of all, before anything, we have to go into the meaning of the exponential equations, and we'll take some examples about the exponential formulas and how to do it and so on. The formula of the exponential means the x here is powered. So when I tell you, as example, 3 power 1, that will give me 3. 3 power 2 will give me 3 power 2 will give me 9, and so on. I'll just go to the stop sharing the screen now and start working, show you the boards. Then we will go for examples on the board here. Here we go. Actually, will be here like this, like usually, so board will be clear to you guys, and at the same time we can see what we are doing. Okay, so here what is the meaning of exponentials? What do we mean by the word exponential? Exponential means that I write the power of the power. So if I say like this, 3, that actually this 3 was 3 power 1. 3 power 1 means 3 multiplied itself by only once. 3 power 1 means that 3 is multiplied by itself only once. Once again, my dears, when we say right now 3 power 1 means 3. 3 power 1 means 3. If I say like this, 3 power 2 will give me 9, because that means 3 multiplied by 3, that will give me 9. 3 power 3, which means that 3 multiplied by itself 3 times, which means that 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So x power n means that x multiplied by itself n times. X multiplied by itself n times. This is the meaning of the power. We'll go first to the formulas of the power. Then we'll know the first formula is this shape, which means b power x will equal y. The second formula, when I have like this way in front of you, if I have b power c multiplied by b power d, then when we multiply those factors, it will be b multiplied, but we will add them together. So it will be the power of c plus d. Examples. let me go for examples and let me stop sharing the screen. Stop sharing the screen. Let me say as example now, let me say 3 power 4 multiplied by 3 power 9. That will equal 3 power 4 plus 9, which means 3 power 13. So that means that 3 will be multiplied in itself 13 times. This is the meaning of the power. So we said when we multiply, we add the exponentials, we add them. So here, b multiplied by b will equal b plus c, power c plus d altogether. 3 power 4 multiplied by 3 power 9 will equal 3 multiplied by 4 plus 9 will equal 3 power 30. This is the first rule. Second rule. We go now to the second. Second rule is telling me b power c divided by b power d, that will equal b power c minus d. So when we divide, when we have division, we subtract the powers. We subtract the powers. Examples are too much here. There are a lot of examples here. As example, if I say, this is d or d, like whatever they say, you can make it d like this, it's okay. So b divided by c, b c minus d. Examples, let me say like this. 5 power 7 divided by 5 power 3. So that will equal 5 power 7 minus 3, which will equal 5 power 4. 5 power 4. And that means 5 multiplied by itself 4 times. So this means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. This is the meaning of the power. So this is 125 by 5. That will give me 725. So this is the second rule or the second formula in the in the exponential. The third formula in the exponential is like this, goes like this. How come? I will say b power c, and the c itself is 2d. b power c and c itself is carried up into d. Then in that case, if I want to untie it or just to solve it, I would say b power c d. So I multiply this power by this power. Examples are so much. So as example, if I want to say as example, if let me say as example, b power 2 and all multiplied to power 3. So this will be b power 2 multiplied by 3, which will equal b power 6. And this is another example about using the formulas for the exponentials. The last one is the root one, which I just won't tell you. So the last one is the root. If I say like this, let me have this one. If I say to you, as example, if I say to you like this, This is inside the bar, and this is C outside the bar. When I just want to untie this, that will equal B. When I move the root, I will say power 1 divided by C. Here it is. I will write it on the left side, B power 1 divided by C. Because here actually there is power 1, and the outside I will go to C. So if I say as example now, let's say this is 4, and here 3, and inside the root, outside the root 8. So this will equal, I will remove the root square and say 4 power 3 divided by 8. 4 power 3 divided by 8. The internal divided by the external. The internal divided by the external. One more rule I just want to say. The power of x. Since here there is 2, but we don't write the 2. The root of 2 square, the root squared. Square means 2. So here is 1. Let me show you. So this means if I want to solve it, that means x power half. X power half. Because 1 inside divided by 2 outside. But usually we don't write this. And we don't write the 1. So we can say like this, the root of x will equal 1 divided by 2 means x power half. Okay, guys, this is another part. So as example, if I have the root of 5, I can say this will equal 5 power half. If I have the root of 7, I would say 7 power half, and so on. Okay, based on this as example, also, we have another consideration. If we have like this, x power minus m, x power minus m, that will equal 1 divided by x power m. So as example, if I say 3 power minus 4, that will equal 1 divided by 3 power 4. So 3 power minus 4 will be 1 divided by, I just want to take this 3 down a little bit, 3 power 4. And vice versa. And vice versa. So as example, if I have like this, one divided by x power 2, that will equal x power minus 2, because I will take it from denomination into denomination, it will be there, but I will take with adverse signal. So the positive will be negative, and always will be negative. Okay. That is for the moment, guys, and the rules. These are the rules of the exponentials formulas. And we'll go now to some exercises on the next part. We'll go to some exercises on the next part. Let's go, my dears.